You are welcome to GeoJGIS Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviluku. Today, I want to show you how to convert PDF to TIFF in QGIS. To start with, PDF stands for Portable Document Format, while TIFF stands for Tag Image File Format. Both are file formats that we use to store data. We also use both in GIS. So today I want to show you how to convert from PDF to TIFF in QGIS. I have a PDF file here, Shendan 212 Southeast. It is a PDF format. I want to convert it to TIFF. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I've opened that document, which is a topo sheet. So let's load it in QGIS and see how it works. So in QGIS, to do that, you come to raster, you see conversion, then translate. Click on translate. So it will bring a canvas like this. So what to do now is here, input layer, you click on this connect, select file. So you navigate to the folder where it is. This is the folder, Shendan. You click on it and click open. Then in few seconds it will be loaded. So let's just wait for it for few seconds for it to load it. It may take few seconds depending on, okay, it has been loaded. So now here under advanced parameters, you come to converted. Here you click here to save it to file. Click on that. Then here you name it. Let's just say converted as the name of the file. Click on save. Before that, remember here the format is TIFF. So if you click here, you see different formats. So but the one we are interested in is TIFF. So we click on that and click save. Then after that, you click on run. So click on run. Depending on the strength of your system, it may take few seconds to some minutes depending on the capacity of your system. So just wait a little bit for it. So in my own case, it is done. So it took me just 14 seconds, 14.27 seconds to complete the task. So you can now say close. So you can see now it has been converted and it has been loaded to my QGIS interface. This is it. Now if you go back to our folder, you see now that is the converted. You see now that the file type is now in TIFF, though the size is more than the original data. So but this is how to convert PDF to TIFF in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.